Hi, I'm Amy Brown. I'm an attorney doing personal injury claims and maritime injury claims. Today, I'd like to talk about motor vehicle collisions involving bicyclists and pedestrians. Really, it could be anyone who uses the roadways, not just cars, trucks, but also dirt bikes, anyone who's even illegally using a vehicle that's not allowed on the roadway, but also bicyclists and pedestrians, the most common. So anyone on or near the roadway, crossing the roadway, often, especially in the Pacific Northwest, we have a lot of trails that cross roadways. So there's often a conflict there when someone's walking, running, or bicycling on a trail and they're in the woods and then all of a sudden they're crossing a busy street. So it's easy to forget that you still have the rules of the road that apply to those cyclists and pedestrians as well. So whether you're the cyclist, the pedestrian, whether you're on a dirt bike that maybe you shouldn't be, but you're still following the rules of the road, or if you were the driver, anytime you're in a collision with anyone else on the roadway, and if you're injured and the other person was at fault, or if fault is in dispute, or if you're not sure, definitely you want to talk to a personal injury attorney and make sure you understand where the liability lies and what your options are and what your rights are for a personal injury claim. The rules of the road apply not only to cars, motor vehicles, motorcycles, but also to bicyclists and to a degree also to pedestrians. So just because there's a cyclist or pedestrian involved doesn't necessarily mean that they were not at fault. Sometimes they are. Sometimes it's the car and the driver. But either way, whichever one you were, definitely talk to a personal injury attorney. Make sure you know your rights in the situation and what the rules of the road were that applied to your situation, and make sure that your rights are protected.